Hi, this is Raulh of Godcuredme. Thank you for checking out this video. I wanted to share a story with you, which is a true story and just happened because I just got this phone call about 20 minutes ago. About 5 years ago, I was working at UPS as a truck driver, and I talked to people about their diet and telling them, add some of those fruits and vegetables into your diet just like your mama used to do. And this one particular guy, I do remember talking to him about his diet because every time I saw him in the break room whenever he was eating, for lunch, everything he had was meat and fried this and fried that, fried chicken, fried pork chops, and I rarely saw him with any like vegetables or anything, or even fruits, and I saw other drivers, they would eat fruit and stuff like I do from time to time, and I never saw him do it, and he was kind of overweight. This was about 5 years ago, and we were talking about retirement. And I said to him, I said, I don't want to get in your business and everything, but if you're eating like this now, and we're getting older, what's going to happen when you retire? You keep eating like this, man. And I asked him, do you exercise? No, he didn't exercise. I was like, when do you eat fruits and vegetables? No, I got to have my meat. I got to have this and I got to have that. Okay. So basically, when a person goes in that direction, I kind of leave them alone. Okay, because I don't want to be that pesky person, So I remember from time to time, he would see me eating, he'd like, oh, Mr. Vegan, you can eat good now and go out and get hit by a bus and this, that, and other. And I said, it's not about that. It's about thriving. It's about being able to take care of yourself when you get older. It's about not ending up in the hospital with some illness like diabetes or heart disease or something like that. He retired 2 years ago. I retired a year ago after making of this in March the 1st of 2020. I retired. He retired the prior year in 2019. So he gave me a phone call to tell me what was going on. And I was like, hey, what's up, man? I haven't heard from you in a while. And he said, man, I'm recovering from my open heart surgery. And I'm like, open heart surgery? He's like, yeah, I started having chest pains and everything. He said, I thought about calling you, but I was embarrassed because I remember you telling me I need to eat better. And I'm like, man, you should have called me anyway. And he was like, well, the doctors checked me out and said that they was going to have to do open heart surgery on me. So he didn't call me. They did the open heart surgery on him. And in there they found 2 clogged arteries, and they end up having to put 2 stents in there to, stents go in there and open it up so it clears the blockage so it can, blood can flow through. So anyway, he's calling me because he had gotten his doctor bill. His doctor bill was a total of $235,000. Now, we have insurance as retired individuals, which is just as good as when we're working. The insurance company finalized with him and told him we will be paying $89,000 of that $235,000 bill, which now leaves him with a grand total of $146,000 that he has to pay out of his pocket. He is regretting now not listening to me and changing his diet. So what I wanted to make this video about was to say, when I talked to him the last time, which was about 2.5 years ago about it, I was like, well, I said, no, not 2.5, I'm sorry. I talked to him about a year after we had that first conversation. I said, why don't you at least just eat 50-50? That means if you're going to eat fried this and fried that, eat a small portion and put some vegetables on your plate. Eat fruit in the morning, or even a fruit smoothie or something like that. And if you're going to eat meat or anything that's not good for you, that's especially fried foods, eat it later on, but make sure you keep the portions small. And then as you go through life, make your portions of your fruit and vegetables a little bit more. So now you still get to eat the fried stuff, but you had the good stuff coming into it. He wouldn't even do that. So now he's regretting it. So I just wanted to make this video to say to you all, those of you all who are thinking about going vegan, you don't have to go 100% vegan right off the bat. Just start working your way up. Just eat fruit in the morning. And then when you eat whatever fried this and fried that, eat a lesser portion of it and start putting vegetables in. A lot of you already know. Those of you who don't know, I have a free food list that's on my website. I put the link in the description box below. And you can go to my website and look at the 21 steps to healing yourself to tell you what to do and what not to do. And the one thing you don't want to do is not take care of yourself. And he's at 58 years old and almost had a heart attack. Didn't have a heart attack, but ended up going into the hospital having open heart surgery at 58 years old. I'm 56. I don't have any issues, and it's like because I chose to be vegan. So I just wanted to let you all know that $146,000 out of your pocket is a lot of money, and then having the scare of the doctors telling you that if you don't have the surgery soon, you're probably going to have a heart attack and die, a massive heart attack and die. You don't want to go through all of that. So, like that old commercial says, your body, it says, you can pay me now by eating right, or you can pay me later by ending up in the hospital having surgery, or end up dying from a heart attack or something like that. Okay? So my name is Raul. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. So if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at Godcuredme. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself of virtually any disease God's way, visit my website at Godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raul. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.